Okay, I'm an official brand ambassador of Fizzy Matcha because it tastes so great. I just can't stop drinking it. And if you guys haven't tried it yet, please do so because it's amazing and I want as many people as possible to taste this. We are on our last lesson. If you came so far, this is a great news for you because you will be able to manifest all the wishes that we've written in the lesson number 2. And if you actually did everything I said, no worries, everything will manifest into the life and we're almost done. Only small things are left. I'll talk about detaching again, and if it was hard for you to detach, as we talked about during the last lesson number 7, it's fine. And I had this problem recently where I was worried if I'm going to manifest a certain amount of money that I wanted, and I'm doing this with my accountability buddy, and I advise highly to you to do it with someone too. And I was telling her, like, I'm doing so much, I'm doing all these meditations, I'm doing EFT, I'm helping people to manifest their dreams, but why it takes so long, why it's not coming into the reality. And she's like, you need to behave and be and exert this energy of the person who is already having this amount of money. So if it's already yours, would you be worried? Would you have all these anxieties and worries? Would you be all nervous and frustrated about your dream? Of course, no. I remember, like, when I was having a huge desire to get an iPhone, and I was like, oh my God, I really, really want it. But then when I started pretending like I'm already having it, I'm like, okay, why to worry? I already have it. It's already in my hands. I'm already using it. I started pretending, like fake it until you make it. And then it was like few weeks after that I bought it and I got it for myself. So you need to pretend like you already have it, and that way you'll be detached easily from your dreams. We will do 3 things today. The first one is take out your list and add one wish that you can do within the week. Like, it could be something easy, buying yourself some shoes that you wanted to buy for a long time, but you were spending this money on some different things. Or it can be something like baking a cake, something that you really wanted to do for a long time. Just listen to yourself, or going to this park, or going to this place, or going meet a friend who you haven't seen for a while and you've been thinking a lot about him or her. For me, it will be going to sauna because I really, really wanted to go to sauna for a long time, but I was deferring it for no reason. That is why I'm going to write it like going to sauna on March 25th. So your brain thinks like if she is fulfilling this dream very fast, and I have to fulfill the rest of the list also fast, because if she is fulfilling something from this list, it means that other wishes are also should be fulfilled. So we in that way we are launching our wishes, our list of wishes, and in that way all of them will come true. This is very important. Please don't skip this. All of the steps that we're going through are important for our wish to manifest, for all of our wishes to manifest. And that is the exercise number 1 that you need to do. The second one will be to type all of your wishes. If it's on your phone, type them in the futureme.org website and set a date, like 1 year from now or 2 years from now, depending what are the dates that you've written for your wishes, and send it to yourself in the future. This is a great service. The futureme.org is a great service where you can send yourself a letter and you'll receive it like in 1 week, or like in 1 year, or in 10 years. I'm constantly writing myself letters, imagining how my life will be. And also, it's interesting that I sometimes forget that I wished for that. And like when I get this letter a year later, I'm like, wow, actually so much things manifested. Actually, I got this and this and this, and I already forgot that I've written it, that I manifested it. So it's also a part of our detaching process, and it would be nice to see 1 year or 2 years from now how many of your wishes actually manifested and how great it is to manifest your life. It will add to your faith, it will add to your beliefs, and it will be easier for you to manifest further. And the last thing we will do is to destroy all of the things that we've written on our phone. Just delete the notes if you've been writing it on the phone, or just take a balloon with helium and let your list, if you were writing it on the like paper, on the physical paper, let them go into the skies. And I know it's tempting to like live it, or just saying that I'll hide it in the cupboard, I'll hide it somewhere in my notebook, I'll forget about that. But this is actually a lie, and you're just lying to yourself. And I know that because I did so too. I was just like, okay, I couldn't detach from my wishes. That's why I wasn't able to let it go and to like send it to future me and delete it from my notes. Again, summing up, 3 things you need to do after this lesson. The first one is to write down one wish that you can fulfill within the week. It can be something really simple, but it should be like special. It should give you this good energy in order to launch. It shouldn't be like, okay, I'm going to market to buy some potatoes, or like I'm going to wash my hair. This is like bullshit, and this is showing that you don't care about your wishes because you don't want to make effort and actually do something that you wanted to do for a long time. The second thing you are going to do is to send yourself a letter writing all of your wishes, like 11, it will be 11 wishes. uh, no, you don't need to write all the like beliefs and fears that we've talked about during the few lessons that we had. So just write 10 of the wishes, send it to yourself 1 year from now, and we will see how amazing it will be to receive a letter in a year. And the third thing is to destroy all of the evidence of the wishes, so that you can't look it up, so that you can't uh, anxiously check them again and again and wait when this will finally happen. So this will be it, guys. We are done for our Manifestation 101 online course. I hope it was useful for you. I hope you see how your energy changed, how your mood changed, and how wishes actually make our life better. Because in order for wishes to fulfill, we need to move from this bad state, bad vibrations, low vibrations, to good state where we feel joy, we feel gratitude, and we feel all the good emotions, so that our wish can come true. I hope to see you all in my Instagram. You can tag me, you can share your results in the messages there. I'm always happy to receive feedback. Actually, only yesterday I met one girl. She did my manifestation course in July 2020. So last year she did my course, and already 3 of her wishes came true. I think by July she will be done with all the rest. And the biggest one is that she manifested her apartment, and it was crazy the way that she did it. Was like super unexpected and was crazy, and I'm really really happy for her. And I hope that in the same manner you will be manifesting everything you want. And as a gratitude for all of you who did this course till the end, who was able to go through all of the steps together with me and are ready to manifest everything, I'm making a bonus lesson for you guys, a lesson number 9 that wasn't in the schedule initially, but I'm just so pumped with all the knowledge that I'm receiving and all the experiments that I'm making to myself. And I'll be sharing with you another technique how you can manifest on a daily basis, and how much experience of that I have and how it worked for me. So if you're interested in manifesting on a daily basis, keep an eye on my channel, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, like this video. And again, if you would like to get some one-on-one coaching about your wishes, you can always book the consultations. I'll leave the link down below, and see you on bonus lesson number 9.